kidney, yeah. Look, gimme, yeah. On my throne, I am the king of Salt Lake City, yeah.
Nike is set to release a massive dunk lineup during the early months of 2021 that range from different color options of both Nike Dunk High and Nike Dunk Low. Parts of the lineup will include this new University Blue, aka UNC, offering of the Nike Dunk Low. It features a white smooth leather upper with a signature perforated toe box and University Blue overlays and swoosh logos. The blue color continues on the inner lining, laces, tongue tags, heels, and rubber outsole atop a white midsole to complete the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low University Blue to release on June 24th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. Now you guys can check the description below for links for places dropping this shoe, places holding raffles, all that good stuff. I'll leave that information in the description below, so check that out. I will go over resale, but before we do that, let's just look over this shoe. So to start off, this is pretty much the Coast colorway, but without the yellow. I'm kind of disappointed because it's so similar to that Coast colorway, aka UCLA colorway. This is just the UNC. It's pretty much the same tone of blue, just without the yellow. I do like dunks and I really like this colorway, but I'm just sick of the oversaturation. It's ruining resale and it's ruining just the game altogether. Even for collectors, when you oversaturate a shoe, no one wants to collect it anymore because it's not limited. That's the whole reason for being a collector. You want to collect things that others don't have. It is what it is though. There's no reason to even go over that. We got white underlays, blue overlays. The midsole is white. We got that University Blue outsole. I don't think it comes with any extra laces, but I could see some white laces, some gray, or even black ones. So yeah, not a whole lot to say about the colorway. Let's talk about resale. The shoe does retail at $100 US, and currently on places like StockX is going for around $250 to $300 depending on the size. I don't really see the price dropping too much, to be honest with you, after release day. I could see it hitting around 200, give or take 25 bucks right after release day, and then within 6 months I could see it jumping back up to that 300 price range. You know, even though this is pretty much just a copycat of that UCLA colorway, I do think it is better. You know, anything that's UNC usually does pretty well in the sneaker community just because of Michael Jordan. So even this isn't a Jordan shoe, it is a UNC colorway and it's in the sneakerhead realm, so people are gonna want this colorway. So that alone is gonna keep resale value up. Like I said, after 6 months, I think this shoe will definitely be around $300. But yeah, there's my resale predictions. Let me know your resale predictions down in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.